Are you ready to truly command your money and build wealth? After learning the basics of saving, the next crucial step is mastering your budget. Want to know how engaging with our channel can lead to incredible future giveaways? Stick around. This video will transform how you manage your finances, and I'll also share how to be ready for our upcoming prizes. Don't miss out. Let's kick things off by defining what budgeting truly is, and why it's your financial superpower. Many people hear the word budget and immediately think of endless restrictions, like never enjoying a meal out or buying anything fun. But that couldn't be further from the truth. Budgeting isn't about limiting your fun, it's about giving you control and freedom over your money. Imagine finally knowing where every coin goes, rather than wondering where your paycheck vanished 2 days after it arrived. It's your personalized roadmap for your finances. In our previous video, we learned about the importance of saving, and budgeting is the very tool that makes consistent saving possible. It empowers you to direct your money where you want it to go, towards your dreams, rather than just random spending. When you budget like a boss, you dramatically reduce financial stress, pinpoint wasteful spending, accelerate debt payoff, and ultimately build wealth faster. Ready to take control? Let's get started with the first simple step. The very first step to budgeting like a boss is to clearly know your numbers, what comes in, and what goes out. This might sound incredibly basic, but it's the invisible wall where many people stumble. First, precisely track your income. This includes your regular salary, any extra cash from a side hustle, freelance work, or even gifts you receive. Be thorough. Next, and this is absolutely crucial, track every single expense. And I mean everything. From your big, consistent costs like monthly rent, utility bills, and insurance, to your daily variable spending like groceries, that quick coffee from a local shop, or even your streaming subscriptions. For at least 1 month, or even 2 for a clearer picture. Use a simple app on your phone, a basic spreadsheet, or even just a notebook to categorize every unit of currency you spend. This step is about honest self-assessment. You might be genuinely surprised at where your money is actually going, often in tiny, unnoticed leaks that add up significantly over time. Now that you know your numbers, it's time to create your strategic spending plan. And a fantastic, simple starting point for many is the 50/30/20 rule. This rule helps you quickly divide your after-tax income into 3 clear buckets. Number 1, 50% for needs. This covers your absolutely essential living expenses. Think about your housing payment, the electricity bill, water, groceries to feed your family, essential transport to work, and your minimum debt payments. These are the things you must pay to live. Number 2, 30% for wants. This bucket is for all those discretionary spending items that improve your quality of life but aren't strictly essential. This could be dining out with friends, that new gadget you've been eyeing, tickets to a show, or even your favorite hobby supplies. It's about enjoying life. Number 3, 20% for savings and debt repayment. This crucial portion is dedicated to building your financial future. This is where your emergency fund goes, money for investing, and any extra payments to aggressively pay down high-interest debt beyond the minimums. Remember, this is a guideline, not a rigid law. Adjust these percentages to truly fit your unique income and living situation. If your housing costs are very high, perhaps your needs become 60%, and you then adjust wants and savings percentages lower. The key is to be entirely intentional with every unit of currency you earn, giving it a clear purpose before you even think about spending it. To make your budget truly work for you and become a loyal servant, we need 2 final, powerful steps: automate and regularly review. First, automate your savings and debt payments. Just as we've learned about saving money, set up automatic transfers for your financial goals to occur the very day you get paid. This pay-yourself-first strategy removes willpower from the equation. The money is already gone from your main account before you even think about spending it elsewhere. Second, regularly review and adjust your budget. Life changes constantly. Your income might shift, unexpected expenses pop up, or you might achieve a new financial goal. Sit down weekly or bi-weekly for a quick check-in. See if you're sticking to your plan, and if any adjustments are needed. Are there areas you can optimize further, like negotiating a lower internet bill, or finding a cheaper alternative for a service you use? Budgeting is a living document, not a rigid prison. It's your dynamic tool for achieving lasting financial control and building the wealth you truly deserve. Alright, amazing audience, get ready for giveaways and growth. To throw your hat in the ring and become a top contender, you need to comment on this video right now. Tell us one key thing you learned or gained from today's lesson. Your insights are crucial. For all the giveaway details, including the vital eligibility rules and exactly how we'll pick our winners, hit that dedicated video link in the description. Our promise to you is simple: the best finance knowledge and unwavering support for your journey. We're bringing you so many wealth-generating opportunities, practical skills, and verified platforms where you can truly upgrade your wealth. So stay smart, engage deeply, and join us now. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.